Good morning. For locals, this is just a regular day. But for me, this is an adventure. Challenge. To capture amazing sunsets. To be in the right place, in the right time. This guy is trying to surf about an hour. He has will. I can spend hours watching the waves and practicing drone flying. My destination that morning was this old fish factory that just ruins now, only memories. And they ended in another part of Ireland. I love these natural swimming pools.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want some tutorials about sound design or video editing, you just can write in the comments the topics you are interested in, and I will read them, collect the most common and make videos about that. So thanks for watching.